Hey, what's up, guys? So today I am at Port Charlotte. I've been here since yesterday, driving around the neighborhoods, trying to show you a lot of the neighborhoods that you guys were curious about. I'm at Donny's house right now. I don't know if you guys can hear me okay over all these generators running, but we still don't have power here. And but what I'm going to show you in this video is Northport. Northport was basically underwater for quite a few days. You know, the Myakka River is receding and going down, so there's a lot more areas that you can get to now that you couldn't before. So we're going to do our best and try to show you as much as we can. Also, I just want to briefly talk about my floating tiny house that was in Captiva. As some of you may or may not know, Captiva got hit very, very hard, and there is zero access to the island now, only by boat, because the Sanibel causeway that leads to Captiva Island got completely washed away. So there's no way for me to get there, you know, to show you any footage there, but I do have some pictures that, you know, somebody had sent me, and I'll put them in here in this clip and show you what that looks like. So yeah, and if you haven't seen before in my previous videos of my micro tiny house, the damage that happened to that, I'll put a link up here in this corner, or this corner. It'll be in one of these corners. I can never get that straight. I always get it backwards. But anyways, so those were my two rental properties and my only source of income. So, you know, whatever you guys can do to help out with just sharing. I mean, sharing these videos, commenting on my videos, liking them, subscribing to my channel. All these things help out tremendously with the algorithm of my videos, and it puts it out there where YouTube starts recommending it, where other people will watch it also. And then, you know, I am monetized on YouTube, so I do get paid, you know, a little bit. So right now, whatever I have from YouTube is the only income I have coming in. So doing all those things will help out tremendously. So yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and get into Northport and show you what that looks like. Florida strong.
Starting to get pretty bad up here.
smell is so awful. Just the stench of what is it? Like rotten egg? Like what is that smell? Garbage.
Rotten garbage. Everybody's refrigerator shit.
Oh,
rotting.
it just smells awful, awful, awful.